different kind of life. Every year, every day has to be different for you. That is the thing which makes you more. Because more than result, you enjoy the journey. That is one of the strengths. And
What's my weakness?
but
You
because
teach face reading.
yeah, we teach
You
this.
should make him teach all of you.
So we do face reading classes also. Apart from that, we